Gonna change the lights. We did it on the Civic, so we're doing it on this.
It's going on YouTube.
You know it.
Yeah. Well, I'll swap his car.
No, let's swap this car. Dad's actually in a video now, so he gets to see himself later. Okay, so it's like 8 mils, I'm pretty sure. Looks like 8 or 6, possibly. Yeah, or 4 even. You can use a Phillips though too. Phillips. So that's the brake light, and my other one you can tell is not lighting up. And then turn on the car and do reverse. Meet me. Just make sure you're on the brake and stuff.
Oh
so.
no! That's fine.
It's on the tree. That's brake light. Those are reverse. Oh, those are actually pretty bright already. Well, we might get about stupid bright because I got the LEDs. So 4, and you get to see after we're done. So obviously, even though it's designed after the Civic on a lot of things, it's still not a Civic. So you actually have to pull the lights off.
Wait, which one is LED?
They're both LEDs.
Does it matter?
No,
yeah, look, one small.
the blinking brake lights are the brake lights.
I'm in the middle.
The white LEDs are the reverse lights.
Look, he's got money.
Hey, what's up, man? And so, yep. And said, yeah, just twist and pull.
This. Turn and pull. Turn and pull. Forget about it. You'll be out no time.
Hey, what about this one right here?
And then the top one, no, top one, no. Like I said before, if you do LEDs on turn signals, they go really fast. You need resistors or whatever, capacitors or whatever the heck they are. You know, flux capacitor. Dad knows it. So yep, and then you just slide it back.
Oh, these clip in?
Yeah, they clip in. So I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. All right, yeah. They don't make a good click sound. Dad's over here flashing into my face. Go ahead and press it again. They'll see you. We'll check the reverse lights in a second, but that looks good. They both work.
I'm gonna leave one screw because you like living life on the edge.
Dad's about to blast us with the reverse lights. It died. Do it again.
Hey, wait, stop. Open this.
Okay. How are you gonna clean that out? Oh. Well, the one of them was on.
Don't move it, dude. There's screws.
Okay. One second.
There you go.
You can keep it running, but my other one's not turning on, so I gotta flip it around, I think.
That kid. You know that?
Yep.
That's something about forgiveness again.
Super simple. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more work. And yeah, just a short video for you guys. Tie you guys over. Bigger things coming soon though. So until next video, laters.